You know, in the last few weeks, I had a client come in and they were talking to me about how they select their attorneys. And there's good guidance for people out there. The Florida Bar actually has a spot on their website that talks about how to select attorneys, but there's some fundamentals to it. In this day and age, you can go on people's websites and you can find out a lot about them. The things you want to look for are they board certified? Board certification by the bar is something that is a preset program that's overseen by the bar, where attorneys have to have a certain number of trials before they're allowed to become board certified. And the committee that oversees it then interviews judges, lawyers that were against them, and determine whether or not they're truly competent in the area. So they have to go through all of that, and then they have to pass a test, as well as submitting a list of all their trials that they can document. There's some other accolades and recognitions that are out there that are very important, and they help to set apart some lawyers even from those that are board certified. And they include things like Best Lawyers in America. If you do research, for example, on our website, we've been Best Lawyers in America for numerous years, and the law firm is ranked as Tier 1, which is the highest tier that can be obtained. And we have that tier in multiple levels. The other thing that you can look for is Best Lawyers in America picks an individual lawyer in different regions of each state and identifies them as the top person in the practice. And we've had that designation. I've had that designation in 2 different areas, medical malpractice and personal injury, multiple times. You also look for other accolades such as American College of Trial Lawyers, International Academy of Trial Lawyers, and International Barristers. And again, those are very select lawyers who are recognized for their trial practice, as is ABOTA, which is the American Board of Trial Advocates, and people only get into that if they've tried a certain number of cases and then are selected by their peers in the community. So those are ways to pick some of the top lawyers in your community.